To do a 3-part breath, working with the diaphragm in the abdomen where the vagus nerve ends, and also looking at filling the deep breaths into the lungs. There are more parasympathetic receptors in the lower lungs. That means it's going to help us relax more. If there's a lot of mouth breathing, higher energy breathing, the upper parts of the lungs have a lot of sympathetic fight-flight receptors, so that can trigger a lot. The 3 parts are belly. You choose if you want to put your hands on your belly or not, as it can be triggering for some people. Belly, side ribs, upper chest. Inhale, fill the lower belly. Exhale, let go. Inhale, direct the breath to the lower belly, abdomen. Like a balloon. Exhale, let go. Just be mindful that area might be triggering for some people. Next, taking the hands onto the side ribs, floating ribs. So let's aim to inhale through the nose or the mouth. You choose, you decide. Inhale, side ribs. Exhale. 3 times. Inhale. Side ribs. Exhale. Can feel a bit weird to direct the breath into the side ribs. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. This time fingertips on the collarbones, and we're going to inhale, fill the upper chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So you might want to experiment with hands on the belly. Inhale. Side ribs, upper chest, let go. Or you can even experiment with that, taking the arms to the side, and in your mind's eye, we're going to inhale, raise the arms up. Visually just see the breath filling the belly, side ribs, upper chest. Exhale, down. When we do this with our arms, we automatically fill the 3 parts of the body. So we'll fill, inhale, lower lungs, side ribs, upper chest, and let go. Then letting go of that. So you can give this as homework for people. How can they integrate this into their normal life when they're out for a walk, or if they're having a shower, or in the morning when they wake up and are wanting to, if they're feeling anxious, come down.